Together, we're making a healthy version of McDonald's Big Mac sauce from their iconic juicy cheeseburger. We're making it higher in protein with Greek yogurt and adding the perfect amount of easy seasonings. And it's naturally sweetened with a little maple syrup. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you like healthier recipes made with all natural ingredients, then you are in the right place. To make this healthier version of Big Mac sauce, we're going to start with Greek yogurt as our base. Now you could also use mayonnaise if you like, or even cottage cheese. I really like using Greek yogurt because it has tons of protein and a little bit of tangy flavor, which tastes delicious in the sauce. So in a small bowl, I'm going to add half a cup of some full-fat Greek yogurt. Next, we'll add 2 tablespoons of some avocado oil, but you could also use light olive oil. Next, I'm going to use a teaspoon of mustard powder, but you could also use jarred mustard. And for a touch of natural sweetness, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. You could also use honey. And for a little tang and flavor, I'm going to add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, but you could use white vinegar instead. And for seasonings, we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Then we'll add about 1/4 a teaspoon salt and a dash of pepper. And then we simply stir it together until it's well combined. And depending on how you're serving it, you could add a little bit of relish to the sauce, but since I'm going to be serving this on the nachos that will have pickles on it, I won't add relish to the sauce. Now is the perfect time for a little pinky test. That is so good. I love that it has a little bit of sweetness and tang to it. Now if you'd like this to be a little bit on the sweeter side, go ahead and add a little bit more maple syrup to taste. But I think this is a perfect balance of sweet and tangy. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients, which means I'm gonna feel just as good even after I eat it. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen. And I've included a link to this full recipe, and it's in the video description below, and it takes you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.